Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use PowerPoint presenter view in Google Meet. It will be really simple and easy. This is a great way to present confidently while keeping your notes private. Open your PowerPoint presentation on your computer. Make sure it's the updated version with all the content that you want to share. Go to the slideshow tab in PowerPoint. Click play from the beginning. This will launch presenter view. Presenter view lets you see your notes and upcoming slides without showing them to your audience. Now open Google Meet and join your scheduled meeting. Check your internet camera and mic are all working properly. In Google Meet, click the Present Now button at the bottom. Choose the A window option from the sharing menu. From the list of windows, select the one showing your PowerPoint slideshow. This ensures your audience see only the slides, not your notes or other open apps. Start presenting, navigate through your slides while keeping track of your notes in presenter view, and that's pretty much it. That's how to use PowerPoint presenter view in Google Meet. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.